Hello, I'm Mike Collins here in the Pearl River Swamp in Louisiana. It's March 8th, 2021, and on February 20th, 2006, at this location, I was sitting in a kayak and I obtained video footage of an ivory-billed woodpecker that was on the other side of the bayou, deep in the woods. And I had a total of 5 sightings in a 5-day period. That one 5-day period in February 2006, and there has been claims that the bird in the video could be a Campephilus woodpecker that was filmed in the tropics somewhere. That's obviously nonsense because the leaves were down then as they are now, because it's wintertime when this video was obtained. But all of the claims made by the critics are nonsense and easily debunked. But nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and launch a drone from this spot. And from the video of the drone, you'll be able to see trees that appear in the video. And then the drone, I'm going to fly it up high enough where you can see landmarks around, such as the English Bayou, the East Pearl River, and Stennis Space Center, which is about a kilometer or so in this direction. This photo was obtained shortly after the 2006 video was obtained. It shows several trees that appear in the video, and some of them they have distinctive features, and they are still identifiable. This photo was obtained the same day with the camera on full zoom, and it shows the Y-shaped fork in the background on which an ivory-billed woodpecker appears perched in the video. This fork is about 128 meters away from the point where I was sitting in the kayak when the video was obtained. Several trees that appear in the 2006 video are still recognizable in this frame from the drone video, including this tree here, this tree, and this tree in the background. There are other trees that are also still recognizable. Now let's fly the drone up and pan around to spot recognizable landmarks. Just coming into view in the top part of the picture is the East Pearl River, which is the state line between Louisiana and Mississippi. Off in the distance are the rocket towers and the canal at Stennis Space Center. Over on the right edge of the picture is the site along English Bayou where I had my first ivory-billed woodpecker sighting on February 2nd, 2006. English Bayou appears in the lower half of the picture. The 2008 video was obtained near where the bayou has a sharp bend over to the left. In the 2008 video, an ivory-billed woodpecker flew just to the side of the tree that appears near the center of the picture out in the bayou. I obtained the 2008 video from an observation position high up in tree 6, which is the tall tree just to the left of the center of the picture. In the 2008 video, an ivory-billed woodpecker flies up the bayou and passes to the side of these tupelos, which appear here in the drone video. This fallen tree still appears 13 years later. Now let's fly the drone up to see some of the surroundings. The location where the 2006 video was obtained appears in the upper part of the picture just to the right of the center. Good habitat extends into Mississippi on the opposite side of the East Pearl River. That area is less than a kilometer from where ivory-billed woodpeckers were observed in 2006 and 2008. It is being used as a military firing range. These recordings of machine guns were obtained during my work in the Pearl River Swamp. These trees were photographed from a boat on the East Pearl River.